Hello, glad to see you again in today's segment. The title is Knowledge is Easy, Wisdom is the Real Deal. Quick question. Have you ever watched a 10-minute tutorial, felt confident, then ruined it in 30 seconds, like fixing something that wasn't broken? Sending a message and immediately thinking, I should not have said that. Yeah, that's not a lack of knowledge, that's a mental culture issue. Knowledge knows how things work. Mental culture knows when and how to use it. We live in the age of information overload. You can learn anything online. How to be rich, how to be confident, how to argue with strangers like a professional. Yet somehow, people still reply without reading, react emotionally, confidently say the wrong thing out loud. So clearly information isn't the problem is how we think. Mental culture is the ability to pause before reacting, thinking long-term, not impulsively, knowing that being loud isn't the same as being right. Some people are highly educated but unstable. Others are simple but wise, respected and effective. Why? Because knowledge without wisdom produces chaos. Mental culture is built by humility, self-control, reflection, learning from correction. Yes, correction hurts. Blaming everyone else feels good temporarily, but it completely blocks growth. There's a powerful line in Proverbs that explains this perfectly. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. Proverbs 1:7. Notice it doesn't say fools lack information. It says they despise instruction, meaning they hear advice and ignore it. They see patterns and repeat mistakes. They know better and still do worse. Knowledge begins when you are teachable. Mental culture is what stops you from quitting a job because one person annoyed you, destroying a relationship over ego, typing a reply while angry and regretting it later. It teaches you when to speak, when to listen, when to walk away and protect your peace. Society doesn't fail because people aren't smart. It fails because people aren't wise enough to handle knowledge. So yes, get knowledge, read books, learn skills, grow intellectually, but more importantly, build discipline, train your thinking, respect wisdom and correction, because knowledge may get you noticed, but mental culture keeps you respected. And remember, if everyone around you is the problem, it might be time for a mindset upgrade. Thanks for watching, and always be teachable. This is Jackson from Mind Builders on the Zunda channel. If this video has added value to your soul, please like and share it. We also invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zunda channel, so you can receive notifications whenever a new video is released. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.